vocal cords to let you know how they line up. And finally, a front man is a four-man amongst the sub. Leading the scoring charts, a man on the Brazilians bench. Comes inside his man, Lucas Ribeiro. Wide of the uprights.
It took a minute to change the pace of attack from the right to the left and immediately to the left, which is where this attack came from. That, for me, is what the coach has been trying to work on since arriving. I mean, so sharp is Ribeiro. First touch.
On himself and moving on.
Yeah, Mokoena caught him a little bit late there. But it's a situation that was developing in favor.
It's tremendous work done by Ndaba. And then Sundowns with the ball in, and a corner for Richards Bay. As a go does Moses Mtembu. And that one always heading wide.
He got it with the outside of the boot, so it's been away from the target. He had time, he sets it up beautifully with the laces. He was
away by Mputuma. Korisang. We just dug that out from underneath his feet.
Yeah, it wasn't going to carry much power. Maybe the target.
Obas. Ribeiro. Salles! There's the opening goal. And Artur Salles has his first from open play, having scored a penalty against Skokuni United to open his Betway Premiership account. But that was brilliantly done as two Brazilians link up.
First of all, his positioning was quality.